Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to put about the limit and a approach to negative infinity. So we have the integration from a to negative number 2. Now, about number 2, that is about 1 plus 1. About this one, we can put into s minus 1 multiplied by s plus 1. Next, I will add s in here. Later that we need to minus about s. This one, I can put into s minus 1. So s plus 1 divided by s plus 1, s minus 1 divided by s minus 1. So we will have about 1 over s minus 1 minus 1 over s plus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we will have about ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And we have the bounds from a to negative number 2. So we have the second formula in here. ln A minus ln B equals to ln of A over B. So we apply the formula in here. And we have ln of the absolute value of s minus 1 over s plus 1. So after we got this one, we can put negative number 2 and a in here. So negative number 2 we put in here. A we put in here. So for this one, we got ln number 3. Now, about this one, we divide by a on numerator and denominator. This one, we have 1 minus 1 over a. This one, we have 1 plus 1 over a. When a go to negative infinity, this one you got about 1 divided by negative infinity, you got about 0. Similar for this one. So we will have about ln of number 1 in here. We simplify and you got about ln number 3 minus number 0. Because ln number 1 you got about 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.